fresh, bright, lemony goodness. Today we're making a lemon herb chickpea couscous-style cauliflower salad that's fresh, light, and bursting with bright Mediterranean flavors. Let's get started. Gather fresh cauliflower, hearty chickpeas, crisp vegetables, and bright herbs for this light and refreshing salad. Whisk together the olive oil, fresh lemon juice, garlic, parsley, and mint until the lemon herb dressing is light and perfectly blended. Combine the riced cauliflower, chickpeas, cucumber, cherry tomatoes, red onion, and fresh herbs until everything is lightly coated with the lemon herb dressing. Chill for a few minutes, then garnish with fresh herbs and lemon before serving. Discover more quick meals in my 10-Minute Healthy Meals ebook. The link is in the pinned comment. Fluffy cauliflower, hearty chickpeas, and bright lemon make this fresh Mediterranean salad a summer favorite. Join Yum's Kitchen for free and get exclusive member extras. The links for today's recipe and to join Yum's Kitchen are in the pinned comment. See you next time.